Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Here you can see with me a 99 Forester with 2.5 liter engine, and I'm aligning those marks. If you look down there, there is perfectly matching white mark here on that camshaft with the mark on the brand new timing belt, right? And that's all matching right here. Here, the main pulley, see that white spot right here? It's perfectly pointing up, and here is the white spot right here, so they are perfectly matched. I have back that main crank bolt because I'm getting ready to release the tensioner, right? So let's not get ahead. Here again, you perfectly see the mark here. This is brand new timing belt and it's matching with this line, right? Perfect. So now I'm ready to pull the pin. Hopefully you can see it, because everything is nicely routed, installed. So I'm going to pull the pin on that tensioner and I will start rotating the engine. I will use that 22 millimeter socket, right, with this big ratchet, and I will rotate the engine clockwise only, right? And when I will do certain rotation, these marks, everything has to come back. So, and the purpose of this is basically to confirm that it's all installed correctly, right? It will not skip somewhere. And when I will do that rotation, that everything will be perfectly aligned again. You don't want to just put everything back, right, without this, and that you will start it up and you might have some huge problem. I basically finishing that one rotation, right? I'm coming now slowly because I see all the marks on the camshafts and on the crank are coming to that center. So I'm looking, I'm going very carefully. I believe my main here on the crank, it's perfect position. So let's go look together if the marks on the camshaft and the crank are perfectly matching. Now don't get confused right now. We are not looking on those white spots on the timing belt anymore. That was only for installation, right? And that's all gone and it's in the different place. So let's see, without stopping the camera, so you can really see the stuff. Let me get it on the shoulder, put the light on, and let's check it. Right, so I'm looking again on that white spot here. Needs to be matching against here perfectly, and I believe it is. Look on the crank pulley, right? This is the spot. Disregard that white line, that's from previous, but that white spot on the crank is going, let me put my hand there for you, this spot with this spot, right? And finally, last but not least, it's this one. Come on, what's happening? Zoom out. Right? So this mark, as we know it, is matching with that engine. So this is correctly installed, it was confirmed, and I can start putting everything back together. Thanks for watching, be subscribed, way more videos coming your way soon. See ya!